It's Monday morning and I'm ready to go. I'm feeling so much more positive and inspired now. I'm going to get out of my pathetic bubble and actually work hard, live a healthy life and be as happy as I can be. I am not walking from Tesco's home again. Anyway guys, I thought I would do another grocery haul for you because I love doing these. I guess I'll start over here. As you can see, we've got a lot of veg going on. Cucumber, celery. I like to have these with extreme chili hummus. This is the best thing in life. Got some bananas, satsumas, sultanas, just for everyday consumption. And then I bought some cheeky Finest hot cross buns, along with some free from yogurts. Like I said to you guys in my last vlog, I am trying to cut down on dairy, she says, as she shows the mature cheddar cheese. This is one thing I can't live without, okay? Haven't gone fully vegan yet. On that note, we have some hemp milk. Guys, I will talk more about milk alternatives maybe in another video or a blog post or something, but hemp milk is one alternative that I'm really liking, because you may or may not know that there's so many different types of dairy milk alternatives. Yeah, I'll talk more about that in another video. I'm going to make a vegetarian chili, so I've got the ingredients for that here. Got some beans, got some more veg, got some garlic. I'm going to make another meal with red pepper, courgette, aubergine. Aside from that, I've got some Bombay mix for snacking and some plantain chips for snacking because I love plantain chips all my days. Pasta, porridge oats, and guys, who knew you could buy breadcrumbs? This is news to me, okay? Maybe I'm just really late, but that's my shopping. So I am also going home again this weekend. That's the reason I don't have as much food as I would normally. Just want to stress to you guys the fact that I love food and I'm not eating the bare minimum, let's just say that. However, I am trying to be more healthy. I'm trying to get back to my healthy ways. I need to start getting up early, start exercising, start being more productive. I just feel so inspired, guys. I feel so inspired. I think a couple of days out of the loop has helped me to kind of reflect and think about what I need to do instead of being sick and sad and all that jazz. So I'm gonna eat, read a little bit, and then go to my second seminar of the day. When you realise there's mould on your bloody crumpets.
What are your thoughts on the crumpet situation?
Well, I have to say I am pretty disappointed. The packaging suggested that the best before date was the 31st of October and it's only the 30th today, so I'm very annoyed that I had to throw away not just 2 but 4 crumpets that I had yet to eat. It's just frankly not good enough. Had a very productive day today. I'm very proud of myself. This evening was nice and chill. I just watched some TV with my housemates. Blue Planet 2, Great British Bake Off, final next week. What? And first dates. I'm obsessed with first dates, guys. It's such a feel-good show. I get so invested in it. Yeah, I should probably read and then go to sleep. This is gonna be a busy week, I can tell. Had quite a productive library sesh. So I'm back home and I've eaten lunch and I need to go to my Spanish lesson in a bit. And then I have a mentoring shift this evening, so I won't get home until about 9:30. But right now, I'm about to try this dairy-free apricot yogurt. Looks like a legit yogurt. Okay, let's give it a taste. The flavour comes through, but you can tell that something is not quite right about it.
don't know what to think really. I suppose if I keep eating it, I'll get used to it. You can just get used to anything, to be honest. I will carry on eating it, partly because I don't want to waste it, but it's not too bad, so. I wonder what the banana one will taste like though.
I've just finished my shift, so I'm heading home, but I'm bloody scared, guys, to walk down this frickin' unlit path, particularly because it's Halloween. Like, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Well, you're not, because you can't flipping see anything, can you? Yeah, this is what I have to walk down all the time. It's really not okay. Oh my god, there's someone walking behind me, fuck.
This is my look of the day, guys. 10 out of 10. Work today till 6:30. Lit.
I feel like my life consists of walking along questionable paths in the dark. Like, what is this, guys? Someone's practicing for Bonfire Night. I'm almost home now, thank god. I'm actually starving and my legs are killing me.
So, I'm making roasted vegetable pasta. So I'm in my favourite place, my bed, and Beth's here. Her presence is very much appreciated because she has made me come to a conclusion about my dissertation idea, which is amazing. So Beth, I love you. Are you going to leave me hanging?
Yeah, I love you too.
So yeah, we're just going to have a chill one. I say that and it's like bloody 11, so we need to sleep soon, but I'm trying to edit a video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thursday. How is it Thursday already, please? This week is going too fast, isn't it, Beth?
Oh my goodness. I want it to be a weekend though.
It's coming, it's coming.
To like loads of places and stuff, so it's probably that.
Hi! Off to uni being good students. What a lovely day to be in the library.
Just setting up for our bingo night in the Students' Union. So basically, for our first social event, we are hosting a bingo night in the Students' Union, and we've been planning this for a little while. We're just waiting for people to arrive. Hopefully it will be a success. These are my lovely mentors. Say hi!
Hi! Number 58.
Hey guys, long time no see. I am just on my way home from Wetherspoons. Myself and my team decided to go out for some food and some drinks after the social, which was a really big success. I'm so happy that it went well and that people actually turned up. That was the main concern. Yeah, very, very pleased with how it went, and just love spending time with my team, to be honest, because we don't really get to hang out unless we're talking about mentoring stuff or work, but it's actually just nice to be out and about and being sociable. So yeah, tomorrow I am going to London, story of my life, as it's my friend's birthday. We are going out, so that'll be fun.
The struggle is real.
I really don't need any more black items of clothing. These trousers are literally life. So I thought I'd just show you guys what I bought in town. First and foremost, this was an essential because I've run out, so that's fairly boring. And then my mum basically gave me a gift card for the Body Shop, which my dad gave to her, but she didn't want it, lol. So I was like, girl, send it my way. And I got a couple of things. First of all, I got this tea tree 3-in-1 product. So you can wash your face with it, you can scrub your face with it, and you can also use it as a mask, which is fab. I thought that would be quite good because I don't necessarily have problem skin, but I thought I can use this when I need it. And that was £9. I then got a vitamin E Sink-In Moisture Sleeping Mask, which I think will be very, very handy for winter because my skin is quite dry and you only need to use that once or twice a week. And then that was £11, by the way. This is a scent that I'd been wanting for ages because Beth has it and I love it. But now I'm just gonna be reminded of her whenever I wear it, which is a good thing. Love you, Beth, if you're watching. Pink grapefruit, smells amazeballs. Smells legit like grapefruit. This was £8, but because there was a 30% discount today in store, I don't know if it was just today or whatever, but it was only £19.50 for all of these free products, which I thought was great. And I still have £10 left on the gift card, so that's amazing. Let's just move those out of the way. I've got this bag, which I've been needing for a while, just a backpack for work, because it's easier to walk long distances with a backpack, and also cycle, because I want to cycle to work in future. TK Maxx, about 15 quid, LSE, love. Then I got these reduced Topshop earrings because I didn't need small ones, and these sizes were pretty handy. £5. Then I went a bit mad in Zara. I was only gonna get one pair of jeans, but that didn't work out. So these are the jeans that I set out to buy, just plain dark wash jeans, because the ones that I wear all the time, my Holy Grail jeans, now have a hole in them, which is great. So they fit nicely. These are also dark wash jeans, but these have distressed knees and that. Finally, I got the trousers that you saw in a previous clip. Honestly, I saw a girl wearing these a couple of weeks ago. I was at a pre-drinks with her and asked her where she bought them from, and now I have the same ones. So shout out to you. I've forgotten your name. Sorry, babes. But yeah, thanks for letting me know where you got those trousers from. A very successful shop altogether. I did spend a bit more than I'd wanted to, but I think it went well, and I'm pleased. I am pleased.
It's Saturday. I'm so happy I'm not hungover. Things could have gone terribly wrong. I was quite sober last night, to be fair. Normally we pre-drink, but we didn't pre-drink last night for various reasons. I am on my way to meet Joe, who you have seen numerous times. We're going to spend the day planning YouTube videos because I believe he wants to start a YouTube channel himself. Might be going out for drinks in the evening.
Joe's lush new camera. Gonna test it out today.
So lush.
So lush. Behind the scenes.
Hey guys, so I've just been to church because I'm a good girl. I think I need to get a halo up here at some point. Going to the fireworks tonight because it is Bonfire Night. Should be good. Had such a lovely time at the fireworks. It was nice to see my friend as well because I haven't seen her for a grand total of 8 weeks, which is ridiculous. But I am super tired now and I'm going back tomorrow with a fresh mindset. I'm gonna study my ass off. Just gonna get into the groove. So the fun is now over. Peace out, y'all.